Hi everyone. So let's start our exponents and powers exercise. The first exercise 13.1. Now in this exercise, that is first 13.1, the first question is find the value of. See, you need to understand this question very properly. Alright. They have asked you to find the value of, means you need to solve it. Alright. So the first question is 2 raised to the power of 6. Okay, so 2 is base here and power is 6. So it means that you need to write down 2 6 times. All right, you need to write down 2 6 times and then you have to multiply. All right, so 2 multiplied by 2 like 6 times, and if you multiply it, you can find it here that 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, and that would give you 64. All right. See, guys, it's very important here that we need to understand the basic concepts of maths like squares and all. That would be very helpful in this chapter. If you know the square of certain number like 8, the square of 8 is 8 8s are 64. You know what is square. Square means when you multiply the same number 2 times and then the value you get, that is your square. All right. So it would be very helpful here. So if you just take here 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, right? And again here 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, means 8 8s are 64. So this is how you can understand. Now the next question is 9 cube. Whenever there is 3 written as a power, you can read it as cube. Sorry for the interruption, students. I'll just come back. All right. So here 9 cube, whenever there is 3 power, you read it as cube, means 9 3 times. So when you multiply 3 times 9, that is 9 9s are 81 and 81 9s are 729. All right, this is how it is. Third one is 11 square. Whenever there is 2 power, you read it square. Let me write it here. 3 power read as cube, and here when the power is 2, it is read as square. Okay, now 11 square means 11 multiplied by 11, the answer is 121. Next one is 5 raised to the power 4, that is 5 4 times. If you multiply 5 4 times, you can easily see here that 5 5s are 25. Here also 5 5s are 25, right? And if you multiply 25 into 25, your answer is 625. Means 625 is nothing but 25 square. All right. You need to understand this very clearly, that knowing the square numbers would make your life very easy. All right. And it will be very helpful in other chapters also. Right. So I would suggest you do that. All right. Now coming to the next question. They have said that express the following in exponential form. See, this is very important again to understand the question. You are supposed to write this in an exponential form, means you are not supposed to find the value of it. All right. They've already given you the product of these numbers, and these numbers are base. So 6 4 times, it would be 6 raised to the power 4. Next is t 2 times, so t square. I've already gave you explanation of this, that even letters can be represented as exponential form. All right, it's not that only numbers are being represented as exponential form. even letters and even combination of letters and numbers are being represented as exponential form. So that's what here it is. Third one, b 4 times. So the answer is b raised to the power of 4. Next one is 5 2 times. So let me highlight it for you. 5 2 times and 7 3 times. So you can just mention here 5 square and 7 cube. All right. So this is how it is. Now, the next question is 2 times and a 2 times means naturally 2 square multiply by a square. All right. Next question is a 3 times, c 4 times and d just 1 time. So we can say that a cube, c raised to the power of 4 and d just nothing. One thing here very important is that if there is no power, it means 1. In powers and exponents, certain things you need to remember, and this is one of them, that when there is nothing, when there is no power, it means 1. See these small things, but they are very helpful. It will help you in the next exercise. All right. Just a minute. Okay. So you can just write down if there is no power, it means that 1 is power. All right. This is very important. All right. You can write down in your note. So this is how first two sums I have explained you. Now, based on these exercises, you can practice on your own. All right. With the next question of the same exercise 13.1, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.